The number one reason buyers back out of a home purchase agreement is because of a home inspection report and repairs needed to be done on that house. So before you list your home, make sure you go ahead and do the repairs you know about, especially the major ones. Make sure you fill out the seller's disclosure and just uncover everything that needs to be done to the house that you know about. You can also do a pre-list inspection. A lot of sellers avoid this because it can uncover things you don't know about, but it also gives you the opportunity to fix big issues that could come up in the middle of your transaction. So, Insider agrees. Before you put your house on the market, make sure you do those repairs and get your house ready for the buyers.